What is up, y'all? I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and this is my 2008 CBR600rr. So it's absolutely gorgeous set of fairings that I got from Monster Fairings. They're custom. I got with a graphic designer to kind of mock up stuff onto a photo of what I wanted, which was a tan wing on the green set of fairings. This green is actually a pearl green off of a Mustang, and the tan is actually just a flat tan. Just like no pearl, no anything like that. It looks really good. I'm super pleased with it. I got it here. It looked even better than the confirmation photos. They actually came with a windscreen and bolts as well. So you don't have to worry about buying those, which is nice. If you need a set of fairings, I would definitely hit them up. It's a really nice set of fairings. I'm happy with them. And now let's look at some up-close videos.